If you talk to anyone who knows Kenya, they would tell you that Nairobi is the capital city of Africa. We all know that is not the truth, but there are so many other factors that justify that fallacy. First, our beloved president tells us that Kenya has the best road network in East Africa, and we all agree with him. Second, Kenya is the only country that can get united and gang up against any issue that is against them. And finally, this is the only country where no rule is followed willingly except sherehe ni sheria. And on that note, we have agreed as Kenyans across all social classes that luxury is very, very important and we should all strive to enjoy it. That's why we have brought you here. Today we are in the heart of Runda of Kiambu Road. This is next to the old Runda, and we are presenting these big, beautiful townhouses, 918 square meters per unit, where each unit has been constructed on a 100 by 100 lot. In simple terms, that is a quarter of an acre. Apart from the 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom employee quarters, each townhouse is a 5-bedroom or Ensuite unit, plus a family room, plus a TV room, and also you have a sunroom. Runda as a locality is very, very prestigious. It gets very good accessibility from Nairobi CBD and Westlands Central Business District. From here, you can access all the best parts of this city. Apart from being a diplomatic zone, Runda is a low-density area and it enjoys a slightly higher rate of return compared to similar estates. When you get to this level of construction, most developers are very, very thoughtful. That's why this developer has given you an access for the differently abled people. And if you enjoy doing your jogging, this staircase is very, very important. Next to me, you have the main entrance, which is a pivot door, done very well. And you have your unit number over there, a small garden on this side, and another small garden on that other side. The entrance porch is very, very beautiful. You are getting a skylight over here. The main door comes with a smart lock, and you have a camera monitoring system on this side. From the main entrance, on my left hand side, you have the common washroom. That door is just a masterpiece. You have a double volume entrance foyer over here, which comes with a very beautiful chandelier. The walkway to the inside of the unit is wide enough for people to enjoy a lot of aeration, and this gated estate is coming with a ton of amenities, starting with a clubhouse, of which we will have a gym inside and a sitting area. Outside the clubhouse, you are going to enjoy an adult and kids swimming pools, and inside the clubhouse you will also have a gym. You are also going to enjoy an extra kids play area. And for your security, the estate will have a street light system from where the estate is to where the main road is. We are also going to do a 24-hour surveillance system along all that route. Right now we are at the center of the first level. On my far left, you have the guest bedroom. On my far right, you have the common washroom. This is an entrance to the dining area stroke the living room. The kitchen is on my far right on that other side. Here you have a staircase that is taking you to the upper level, and you have a continuous walkway here to the sunroom and the TV room. To access the living room, you can use this access, which is coming from the main hallway. You can access it from the garden on that side, and you can also access it from the dining area on that side. As you can see, the space has been done very well. The ceiling heights are excellent. The quality is above average, and I like it that you would easily do a 10-seater couch in this space. The lighting system of this unit has been done very well. You have a fireplace on my far right, and this other side is giving you an access from the garden space. As you can see, the space is expansive to give you a best access to the garden. The aeration is very, very nice, and the developer has also given you automatic curtains. Very, very nice. If you check the floors, you can see that the developer has used SPC just to make sure that this house will remain very warm all year around. The main living room comes with a balcony, and for only 150 million Kenya shillings, this is more than enough. The developers of these homes designed this living room as a family space. You are not supposed to do a TV here or enjoy your movies here. If you want to do that, you should go to the TV room, which is next to this living room. We will see that later. What I want us to focus on is the dining area, which is on my far front. Walk with me. This unit has adopted a semi-open plan method where the living room is partially conjoined to the dining area. The dining space comes with an 8-seater dining set, and this is very important, especially if you are hosting many people in this unit. For the localization of this unit, the developer has given you a sink area or a small vanity over here where you can wash your hands as you prepare to enjoy your food. This sink can also be used to rinse your plates or to rinse your dishes before you serve the food on this table. You can also keep some washing or hand washing detergents over here. Right now we are in the kitchen, and it is coming with a functional island. This is where you are supposed to enjoy your cooking, but you can still have someone seated over here preparing what you're supposed to cook. I like it that the hood is at the center, and it will be able to absorb all the vapors that will come from this cooktop. You are also going to get fixed appliances in this kitchen, and that will include your microwave, your oven, your cooktop, and your heat extractor. You have enough cabinetry in this kitchen consisting of drawers on that side. You have some extra storage on this other side where you have your double sink. The window is massive to give you enough natural light, and you have some extra sockets on this side for your extra kitchen appliances. That is like maybe a kettle, a blender, or some other things that you can use in the kitchen. For your side-by-side refrigerator, this is where you are supposed to keep it. This door is opening to the pantry, which has been done very well. And that other door is opening to the wet kitchen and the laundry area. Let's see that. The wet kitchen comes with some extra storage. You have a dishwasher, a space over here where you can add an extra cooktop, and you have a washing area where you can wash the dirty utensils. The laundry area comes with a space here where you can do your washer stroke dryer, and you have some extra storage over here for your washing detergents. You can also use this countertop over here as an ironing board. This door is opening to the employee quarters, which is being used as an office right now. From the kitchen and back to the center of the first level, we will take my left hand side to see the TV room and the sunroom. This room has been dedicated for your movies or for your relaxation. If you have a telemovie that you need to watch, a good Netflix movie, or maybe your favorite program, this is where you are supposed to come and watch it without disturbing anyone else in this building. The space has been done very well. I like the comfort of this couch. I like the seclusion of the room itself, and I like the size of it because it feels very comfortable and very airy. The room also has an access to its own pergola, and also you can access the garden from here. It is very, very comfortable. Back to the walkway, you have an access to the sunroom. Come closer. For the people who are sensitive to UV, this should be heaven to them. They can be able to bask here, enjoy their sun, get their vitamin D without getting any problems. And for the fun lovers, this would act as a very good breakfast nook. And if you have plants in the house, you can always sun them here. If you are a plant mom or a plant dad, you can always sun them here over the weekend. You can also get an access to the garden from this side, and this other side is giving you the best view of your main garden. On this level, we only have one bedroom and it is targeting your guests. What I like about it is that the floors are very warm. The bed is huge enough to make sure that your guests are very comfortable. The room enjoys very good lighting systems and very nice ceiling heights, and I like it that the headboard area has been done very well. The closet is the smallest, but you don't need a big one unless this is your house. And this bathroom will be very comfortable for your guests, coming with all the fixtures that you may require. A shower cubicle, a WC at the center, and a vanity on my far front. For the shorter version of this video, make sure you check out our other socials, that is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And for the people who have houses anywhere in Kenya and you would want to sell them, make sure you post them to our website at africanrealestate.com. Before I take you to the upper level, we have some extra storage under the staircase. Excellent. The staircase is very gentle and I like it that it is coming with some laminated floors. Right now we are at the landing on the first floor, and on my left hand side you get the family room. On this level we still have the other 3 bedrooms where 2 of them are targeting your children, and we have the main bedroom which is the primary. The family room is huge. I like that it comes with some extra ceiling heights. This is where you are supposed to relax with the family and enjoy a private conversation. I like it that it is getting a very good view to the sunroom, and on this other side it will give you a very good access to the main gate and the clubhouse. When you live in some congested areas, you do not need a balcony, but when you live in a posh area like Runda, you need a balcony in every room, because this is the view that you get every day. It is not going to change, and if it changes, it only changes to the better. For privacy purposes, the primary bedroom is the only one which is coming with this small foyer. This bedroom is the highlight of this unit, and if you are the person who is going to pay 150 million Kenya shillings, you deserve this. As you can see, you have a sitting area over here where you can sit with your partner. This is where you are supposed to sleep, a huge king-size bed which comes with a beautiful headboard. On this side you have one of the closets that you get in this unit, and on my far right you have the biggest balcony that we have seen in the channel this year. Let me show it to you. This is a 7-meter balcony, and on top of that it comes with a skylight. If you do a swing chair over here, you'll be able to enjoy these views, stars in the night and sun during the day. This is heaven on earth. Having a fireplace in the bedroom is very important sometimes. This is part of the main closet, and it is targeting the clothes that you regularly use. This is the other part of the walk-in closet. The primary bathroom starts from there. You have a WC on my far left. A double vanity is very important, and this one has been done very well. It comes with an access of cold and hot water. This side has been reserved for your soak tub, and a shower cubicle is hidden on this side. It comes with a skylight, a rain head, and a handheld. You see this space? This space comes with a chandelier that is directing the light to the foyer in the main living room. On this other side, you have the first kids' bedroom. It has been done very well. Come closer. The floors are very warm and very cozy. I like it that the bed is big enough to fit your children, maybe your girls or your boys. The closet is wall to wall, and the window is wall to wall also. The bathroom is over here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen in this unit. The primary bedroom on this level deserves a lot of privacy. That's why it has been separated by a small kitchenette to the second kids' bedroom. The kitchenette has been done very well. You can do a dishwasher over here. It comes with numerous cabinetry, some sockets for your coffee maker, and if you like enjoying your drink, you can also make a wine cellar in this space. This is the bathroom of the second kids bedroom on this level, and as you can see, you get a vanity which comes with a smart mirror. You have some storage here for your toiletries. Very well done and very well partitioned. The shower cubicle is huge, and this would easily accommodate a plus size person, and this is where you have your vanity, and it also comes with a bidet sprayer. This is the sleeping space of this bedroom. As you can see, everything has been done to the best quality. The closet is floor to ceiling. It has been partitioned very well. It feels very nice to hold, and you have your controls over here which can be used to close or open the curtains, and also you can control the lights. This bedroom is also getting a 270 degrees view from these big windows. This is the landing to the last floor. On my left hand side, you have the fifth bedroom. You also have a picture window over here to give you the best view of this locality. On this other side, you have an access to your roof deck. We will see that in a minute. What I want us to focus on right now is the fifth bedroom. The fifth bedroom is targeting your twins. It has been done very well, and it is very, very spacious and very private. It comes with a big window on this side. Next to it, you have a big closet which would be enough for your twin clothes. You have some toys over here where your children can enjoy their games, and you have a big balcony where they can enjoy their outdoor spaces. Their bathroom is here, and it is coming with all the fixtures that you would expect in a house of this caliber. I like the quality of everything, and I like it that the tiles are going up to the ceiling. Right now, we are at the only roof deck that you have in this unit, and from here you'll be able to enjoy the views of this estate and the good environment and the good freshness of air that comes with this locality. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you're interested in purchasing this unit in Runda, you know what to do. Our number will be attached down here, and you can check the other details in the description box or the first comment. This is African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara, and we will see you in the next one.